Good weekend, YouTubers. It's Brian Paragamian, Senior Trader and Co-Founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, bringing you a weekend update. A couple things heading into Monday I want to make mention. One, next week is option expiration week. Be careful trading it. A lot of times you've got a lot of manipulation taking place on stocks. Two, let's continue to keep a watchful eye on the dollar. 2 week of a dollar is not a good thing. We did have the dollar rebound later in the week. Three, let's keep a watchful eye on interest rates. The 30-year bond tanked on Thursday and Friday. Some comments out of the Fed. I don't think it's a concern right now, but if you get rates rising too rapidly here, I think it could, create some issues for the stock market. A couple of other things I want to make mention now. Speaking of the stock market, the Dow closes at 98.64 on Friday, up 78 points. If we start getting a close above 99.18 on a weekly closing basis, I think that counts towards 10,300 on the Dow. That 10,300 number is a 50% retracement from the 07 highs on the Dow to the 2009 lows. Again, 2007 highs of over 14,000 on the Dow, down to these lows here of 6,600 in March. That would be a 10,300 number roughly, a 50% retracement. So I want to put you on alert for that. One other thing I do want to comment though is if we get that weekly close above 99.18 on the Dow, I want to see it close above there the following week as well, because otherwise you could have a bull trap. Kind of break them out, suck the bulls in, and then trap them, and then reverse the market. So I want to put you on alert for that. A couple of stocks I want to make mention you're heading into next week. One, St. Jude Medical. We talked about that on Thursday. The stock ripped to the upside on Friday, closing at 34.10. It had a rather nice day. I want to continue to put that, as I'm pulling the chart up here, up $1.31. I want to continue to put you on alert for that. I think any early morning pullback on Monday can be bought, because I'm looking at a bare minimum for this stock here to get back up towards the 36 plus area, 36, 36 and a half, somewhere in there. That's where the 200-day moving average comes in, actually at 36.70. But I think it's an absolute layup for this stock to take out 34.46, which was a Tuesday's highs on the gap down off some poor earnings guidance. They didn't actually report earnings, but they gave some guidance. And, so I think that's a real easy trade come Monday morning. Let's see if we can't get a pullback into the upper 33s. Let's call it 33.70 to 33.90, somewhere in there. And then look for the highs to get taken out from Tuesday, which was 34.46. Another stock I want to make mention is Twin Disc, TWIN. Take a look at the charts there. You start pushing the stock above 13. That's where the 20-day moving average comes in. Above 13 gives you a real nice breakout. Counts towards 15 real fast, it looks like to me. Again, take a look at the chart. Don't take my word for it. On balance, volume looks real good. But again, above 13, we do have 4 days now without a lower low. I'm not really concerned about that. But what I ideally would like to do is see the stock go up towards 13, chop sideways a couple days, and then bust itself out so it's not overbought, or we don't have too many days without the stock trading a lower low from the previous day. One other one I want to share with you, I did talk about a few days back, was First Solar. Stock was unchanged basically on Friday, closing 156.69. It broke a very short-term downtrend line out, but you've got a downtrend that goes back towards April, or actually towards May, I take it. It looks like it's ready to break that downtrend out. If we start pressing above the 158 level, above 158 is going to break a downtrend line out on First Solar going back to May. If you draw a downtrend line from the peak highs in May of 207.51, draw it all the way down to today's close, you can see real nice downtrend getting ready to break out. I think the stock breaks out. There's a gap on the charts up towards the 171 area, and I think that's where the stock is headed here in the coming weeks. That came back on July 30th. So a couple of ideas I wanted to share with you. Again, if you're not making money on a consistent basis in the stock market and you want to become educated, you want to learn technical analysis, you want to watch things in a real-time setting, we've got daily live webcasts here at ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Go to our website, take advantage of our 1 week free trial. That's all I can say. Have yourself a great, enjoyable weekend, and we'll be back on Monday. Thanks for watching.